Hello friends, here I have finished my second row. In the third row I have made total 11 half double crochet and then 2 half DC into this loop, 2 half DC, 1 chain and 2 half DC into this space, and then make 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19. You will increase your stitches into the every line, every row, and make 2. You increase your stitches in the every corner of this dress. Here, this is the front part of the frock. Here you make one half double crochet into the every stitch. And this is the corner. Here you increase your stitches. This is the loop. Here you make 2 DC, 1 chain and 2 more DC into this space, and you make 2 more lines, the same stitch, same pattern. Thank you. After that you make this is the back portion of the dress, baby dress. Here you make 1 half double crochet into the every stitch, and in the corner area here you go to the and skip the next slip part. This is the slip part area, and you go to the corner of the sleeve, and here you make one half double crochet and join it, and then you continue your work, and you make here one half double crochet into the every stitch of the front part of the dress. This is the front part of the baby dress, and here you make 1 half double crochet into the every single stitch. And then go to the next corner of the frog, and here you make and go to the back side of the sleeve and back side of the your dress, and here this is the corner of the back side, and here you make also one half double crochet and skip the slip portion, and make one half double crochet into the every single stitch. And your sleeve is ready, and then here you make the you wear only the west part of the baby dress. This is the sleeve portion, and this is the back side of your baby dress, and you wear 2 chain, count as a first half DC, and one more half DC into the same stitch, and make one half DC into the every single stitch. This is the sleeve portion of the frog dress, and you do not work there, only you work into the waist part. You make same things to 2 more lines, 2 or 3 more lines. You make 2 or 3 lines, same pattern. After that you join to with slip stitch of the back side of your dress. This is the back side of your dress, and here you join it with slip stitch, and here I will make the buttonhole, and here I will insert some buttons, and then you start your work here, and here you make 1, 2, 1 more 3 chain, count as a first double crochet, and 2 double crochet into the same stitch, and then 1, 2 chain, and 3 double crochet into the same stitch, and skip the next 2 stitches. Skip the next 2 stitches and go to the 3rd stitch. Here you make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and then 3 double crochet, and you repeat same pattern all around.